one benefit to being outside is that you can walk along and pass gas. And, you know, you can really get people. You can sneak them. And you can just blame it on the outside environment. Because, you know, it ain't no telling what's around. It could be some dog poop over in the grass. It could be some smells coming from a sewer, you know. But it's really, in all actuality, it's just you busting ass. Covertly busting ass. That's what my homie calls it, busting ass. When you fart, your ass busts open. That's kind of nasty. Yeah.